Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Karima.
And I am Raihan. It is so good to see you today. Karima, how are you doing?
I am doing great, Raihan. The weather is beautiful today. I feel very happy. How about you?
I am a little tired, actually. I woke up very early this morning to make coffee, but now, talking to you, I feel better.
Oh, I am glad. Coffee always helps. But Raihan, I was thinking today's topic is very important for our friends watching.
You are right. You are right. Today, we are talking about introductions, how to say hello and tell people who you are.
Many students feel nervous when they meet someone new. They don't know what to say after hello.
Exactly, it can be scary. But don't worry, we will show you how to do it simply and naturally. No big words, just easy English.
So, if you are ready to learn how to make new friends in English, stay with us.
Okay, Karima, let's pretend we are meeting for the first time. I will start.
Great, I'm ready.
Hi there. My name is Raihan. What is your name?
Hi, I am Karima. It is nice to meet you, Raihan.
It is nice to meet you too, Karima. Where are you from?
I am from Morocco. And you? Where do you live?
Oh, Morocco. That sounds beautiful. I am from Bangladesh, but I live here in the city now.
Oh, really? That's nice. How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 3 years. I like it a lot. What do you do, Karima? Are you a student?
No, I am not a student. I am a teacher. I teach art.
Wow, that is amazing. Do you like being a teacher?
Yes, I love it. I love colors and painting. What about you, Ryan? What is your job?
I work in an office. I work with computers. It is a bit boring sometimes, but my coworkers are very friendly.
I see. Friendly coworkers are very important.
Yes, they are. Oh, I have a question. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I like to read books and go for long walks in the park. Sometimes I cook for my family. Do you like cooking?
Oh no, I am a bad cook. I only like eating. I like to play football on weekends.
Why, Haz, football is fun. That's great, Raihan. Now, let's listen to a story. Our friend Sarah is going to tell us about her first day at a new job.
Hello, my name is Sarah. Want to tell you about my morning. Today was my first day at the library. I was very nervous. I woke up at 7 a.m. I washed my face and put on my favorite blue shirt. At 8 a.m., I ate breakfast. I had an egg and an apple. I arrived at the library at 9 a.m. A man walked up to me. He smiled. He said, "Hello, I am Alex. I work here." I smiled back and said, "Hi, Alex. I am Sarah. Am the new assistant." Alex was very kind. He asked me, "Where are you from, Sarah?" I told him, "I am from Spain, but I moved here last month." Then he showed me the library. In the afternoon at 1 p.m., we had lunch together. He told me he likes to play guitar. I told him I like to listen to music. By 5:00 p.m., I was not nervous anymore. I have a new friend. It was a very good day.
That was a lovely story. Sarah did a great job.
Yes. Did you hear how she introduced herself? She said, "Hi, I am Sarah, one and the new assistant, Raihan, simple and clear." She also used time expressions. She said, "At 7:00 and in the afternoon." Karima, right. When you introduce yourself, you can talk about your day or your routine. It helps the conversation continue.
Let's look at some phrases Sarah used. She said, I am from. This is the best way to talk about your country.
And she said, I moved here last month. This tells people a little bit of your history.
I like to was another good one. Sarah said, I like to listen to music. It's so easy. Just say I like to and then a verb.
Exactly. I like to swim. I like to sleep. I like to learn English.
I hope everyone watching likes to learn English.
Raihan, do you remember your first time introducing yourself in English?
Oh, yes. I remember. I was at the airport. I was very scared. A woman asked me, Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Oh, what did you do?
My heart was beating fast. I said, Hello, I am Raihan. The bus is there. I pointed with my finger.
That's okay. You were helpful.
Yes, but I forgot to say nice to meet you. I just ran away. I was so shy. How about you, Karima?
For me, it was in a classroom. The teacher said, Karima, tell the class about yourself.
Oh, the self-introduction in front of everyone. That is the hardest part.
Yes. I stood up. My face was red. I said, My name is Karima. I am from Morocco. I like cats. Everyone laughed because I said it so fast.
But that is a good introduction. Name, country, and a hobby, cats.
Yes. Now, I am not shy anymore. Practice makes us brave.
Let's review the words we use today. This is very important for your notebook.
Our first word is introduce. To introduce means to tell someone your name for the first time.
Next is nice to meet you. We say this after we learn someone's name. It is polite.
We have occupation or job, like teacher, student, or office worker.
Don't forget hobby. A hobby is something you do because you love it, like reading, football, or cooking.
And let's look at the to be verb. I am Karima. You are a student. She is from Spain.
Use these simple blocks to build your sentences. Don't try to be too fancy. Now repeat story, slow and clear.
Let's listen to Sarah's story one more time. This time, try to speak the words with her. Listen to her rhythm.
Hello, my name is Sarah. Want to tell you about my morning. Today was my first day at the library. I was very nervous. I woke up at 7:00 a.m. I washed my face and put on my favorite blue shirt. At 8:00 a.m., I ate breakfast. I had an egg and an apple. I arrived at the library at 9. am. A man walked up to me. He smiled. He said, "Hello, I am Alex. I work here." I smiled back and said, "Hi, Alex. I am Sarah, the new assistant." Alex was very kind. He asked me, "Where are you from, Sarah?" I told him, "I am from Spain, but I moved here last month." Then he showed me the library. In the afternoon at 1:00 p.m., we had lunch together. He told me he likes to play guitar. I told him I like to listen to music. By 5:00 p.m., I was not nervous anymore. I have a new friend. It was a very good day.
Wow, time flies when you are having fun. We are at the end of our video.
You did a great job today. Remember, introducing yourself is just the beginning of a new friendship.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even we make mistakes sometimes.
Yes! Now we have a question for you. What is your name and what is your hobby? Write your answer in the comments below.
We want to read your introductions. We will reply to as many as we can.
If you liked this video, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.